Hello friends, this is Abhishek. Welcome back to the Phonegap video tutorials. Okay, this is the fourth part of a SQLITE third-party SQLITE plugin. So today we're gonna see how we can delete the records by using a third-party SQLITE plugin. Okay, but before that, just take a look of part number 3. What we have did in that. Okay, in that we have updated records. Okay, that was very simple. Okay, as whenever user clicks on an edit button, okay, we are going to fetch all this information and assign it to these above text boxes, and then we are going to hide the grid as well as the show records button, and the add button is going to convert back to the update button. Okay, just like this, right? And as soon as user updates the information and clicks on update button, it will update the existing records, right? And to get the information latest, you have to click on show records button. Right now, in today's video, what we are going to do, we are going to add one more button for the delete of existing records. Okay, for that we have to go inside a show values function, and we have added the delete button as well. Right, as you guys already know that the columns are case sensitive. Okay, so keep in mind that the column name should be properly typed, because you do not get any kind of intelligence over here to write a JavaScript code. Okay, so as we have added a delete button and we have set a function on click, that is the delete record. Okay, and passing the current button reference. Okay, this current button reference is going to help us to get the ID of the next TD value. Right, so we are going to find that particular ID by using the button reference. Okay, after getting the ID, what we are doing, we are firing a simple query, that is the delete from demo table where ID equals to this. And here one more thing I would like to tell you, you can also write like this: delete from demo table where ID equals to 1. Okay, but why I'm not following this structure? There is a reason. Okay, if you know about the SQL injection, okay, it's a very risky thing. Okay, to avoid the SQL injections, you have to follow the query structure just like this. Okay, now just here I'm giving an insert statement, insert into demo table values first, Scott and Tiger. Okay, this is our query. Now suppose this the name. Okay, the name is imported by the user. Okay, now just imagine what happen if someone enters like this. That means your query is going to be fail, cause this is the unstructurized data. Right, that's why what we are doing, we are giving a question mark over here and then assigning a value of it. Okay, if someone enters a single quote, the SQLITE automatically manages it. Okay, so you do not need to care about that. Right, so here we are following the same structure in everywhere. Right, delete from simple query, passing the selected ID, and as soon as the queries get fired, we are giving a message that the record is successfully deleted. Okay, now just do that. Okay, now suppose I am deleting this record. Okay, then what I have to do, I have to remove the whole whole TR from the table. Right, I'm not gonna paint the whole grid once again. Okay, so I just need to remove this TR. For that I have done currently I find the particular row index of a TR by using the button reference. Okay, I got the row index, and by using the delete row which is provided by the JavaScript. Okay, you can delete a whole row in a single statement. Okay, so automatically it will get deleted, so our UI operations, our DOM operations will get reduced. Okay, so now I'm gonna run this application in simulator, so we'll get the delete button. So here, Cordova run Android. Okay, it will take a little time because it is the first time. Okay, till it compiles. Okay, just check out. Okay, this is my channel, youtube.com/user/web boostings. You'll find all kind of videos related to Swift, Objective-C, iOS, Phonegap, Android, C#, ASP.NET, okay, custom JavaScript, jQuery, everything you'll find over here. Okay, and if you don't find any kind of video here, you can post it to, you can write an email to me. Okay, I'll post a new video on the basis of your requirements. Okay, you can get my email ID over here. Okay, email ID, so you can get that, right? And if you don't want to search the videos inside a YouTube, I have the solution for that, because currently YouTube have lots of videos. Okay, so you have to find a particular which video is really helpful to you guys. So what I have done, I have listed all the video tutorials which is important to me, okay, and which is hosted inside this channel. So just come into the infologs.in, okay, and get all your videos at a single place. Okay, don't need to find anything, just click on series. Like if you want to learn Android, just click on any video of Android, it will load all the videos of Android. For example, here we have 53 videos of a Phonegap. Suppose I'm clicking this one, it will load all the video tutorials of a Phonegap, okay, at one place. Just learn. Okay, so coming back to the project, so our project is installed, and everything, I hope everything should get work. Okay, the delete button is not available over here. I think something we missed. Okay, but in my code, okay, currently it is executing the index page, and we have done coding inside a index 4. So here I'm gonna rename this index_third, and I'll remove this. Okay, so it will become our first page, last and final page. Now you have to build your project again, but this time it will not take much time. And okay, yeah, it's running. Okay, and now just click on show records. Yeah, we got the delete button. Now I'm gonna delete number 2 record. Delete record is deleted successfully. Okay, the number 2 record is getting removed from the table. Okay, again I'm gonna delete the first one. Okay, right? At once, guys, you can manage the delete operation inside the Phonegap application. If you have any questions, you can write to me, or do not forget to subscribe this channel, and keep learning. Till then, bye bye. And I just want to tell you about my video sponsors, DearMountain.com. Just because of them, I'm recording this video tutorial for you guys. Actually, they are running a coding bootcamp, and they provided a different kind of courses like a web development, iOS development, and UX design for the full time and after hours. Okay, the main important point, they'll teach you everything that you need to take a job in this field. Okay, so I would like to request to just check out their website, DearMountain.com, and I have already put down the links inside the description box below. And one more thing, if you do contact with them, just tell them my reference. Okay, till then, Keep learning. Bye bye.